Hello everyone and welcome to this edition of NASCAR's Lost Teams, Leavine Family Racing. The team was originally founded as Leavine Fenton Racing, owned by Bob Leavine and Lance Fenton in early 2011. The team planned to run a limited schedule in the Sprint Cup Series, and as well as the Camping World Truck Series, with David Starr competing in the first six races, and Fenton competing in the final three. The team was based in Tyler, Texas, but had its race shop in Concord, North Carolina. The team got its inspiration for the number 95 that they ran as a number from Lightning McQueen from the NASCAR'S movie. The team made its debut at Texas Motor Speedway in April of 2011. They made the race qualifying, but finished 38th after getting in an accident. Shortly later in the year, Fenton went ahead and announced he was selling his shares of the team to Leavine. In that first season, though, for the team, they attempted 8 races, only qualifying for 4 of them. Their best finish was 27th in the fall at Bristol. At the end of the season, Starr and LFR parted ways. For the 2002 NASCAR Cup Series season, the team signed Scott Speed. For the 2012 NASCAR Cup Series season, the team signed Scott Speed to drive their number 95 Ford part-time. Scott Speed was the next driver the team signed to a multi-year contract for 12 and 13. They qualified for 15 races that season. The team started and parked a fair amount of races the team qualified for. Their best finish was 17th at Watkins Glen in the summer, finishing 43rd in final points. Now, Scott Speed started the 2013 NASCAR Cup Series season behind the wheel of the LFR number 95 Ford. He made 12 starts for the team. His best finish was 9th at Talladega in the spring. His final race for LFR was race 25 at Atlanta. Then the team had handed the wheel over to Reed Sorensen for 6 starts. His best finish was 37th at Phoenix in the fall. Scott Riggs made 1 start for LFR at New Hampshire in the summer, finishing 43rd. Blake Cook, he made 1 start as well at Charlotte in the fall, finishing 38th. The team finished a disappointing 44th in final points. The 2014 season was the start of Leavine really growing his team. They signed Michael McDowell to drive the number 95 WRL General Contractors Chevrolet. They attempted 22 races, qualifying for 19 of them. Their best finish was 7th at Daytona in the summer. Overall, they scored 1 top 10, finishing 42nd in final points. Now, Michael McDowell was back for them for the 2nd season in a row. This time, they're attempting 20 races, qualifying for 16 of them. McDowell's best finish was 20th in the summer at Watkins Glen. They finished 44th in final points. Joe Falk became an investor in the team, switching the team's make to Chevrolet, as well as bringing a charter with him to ensure the number 95's team would be running its first full-time season. McDowell is set to run 26 races with sponsorship from K-Love and Thrivent. Then Ty Dillon will make 10 starts with sponsorship from General Mills and AstraZeneca. Michael McDowell would run the Daytona 500 in a number 59 K-Love team car. McDowell's best finish was 10th at Daytona in the summer in 26 starts. Michael McDowell made 6 starts in the number 59 Chevrolet. His best finish was 20th at Texas in the spring. Collectively, the team finished 30th in final points. Speed and LFR parted ways at the conclusion of the season. Back to just one driver full-time the entire season for 2017. They signed Michael McDowell full-time in the number 95 WRL General Contractor Chevrolet. He qualified for every single race that season. His best finish was 4th at Daytona in the summer. The team scored their career best points finish in 2017, 27th. A big change for the LFR team going into the season. They had very high hopes due to the fact that they were signing Casey Kane to drive the number 95 ProCare Chevrolet. His best finish was 4th. And due to finding out that he was ailing from massive heat exhaustion, eventually he would retire due to this. Regan Smith would take over Kane's place for the remainder of the truck season. He made 11 starts with a best finish of 10th at Talladega. The team ended the season 27th in final points. The following season, Leavine Family Racing signed Matt DiBenedetto to drive for the team full-time in 2019. To start the year, DiBenedetto led 49 laps in the Daytona 500 before Paul Menard spun him from behind. His best finish was 2nd at Bristol in the fall. Overall, they scored their strongest season yet, scoring 0 poles, 0 wins, 3 top 5s, and 6 top 10s, finishing 22nd in final points. Last but not least, Gibbs Racing bought into the LFR team and basically made the team an R&D team for JGR's main team. They signed JGR development driver Christopher Bell to drive the number 95 Toyota full-time in 2020. His best finish was 3rd at Texas in the fall. Overall, they scored 0 poles, 0 wins, 2 top 5s, and 7 top 10s, finishing 20th in final points. At the end of the 2020 season, Leavine Family Racing shut its doors for good. Well, thank you guys for watching. Take care.